ELI5 If there is no resistance in space, why does light only travel 300,000 km/s? Basically, the speed of light is a problem when you design a universe, because what does light base its speed off of? Do we choose a random star in the middle and just say that that's not moving? Turns out the elegant solution is our universe. Use every single observer in the universe for what light will get its speed from, and time will deal with the repercussions. The actual speed that light travels at, as well as the strength of magnetism and gravity, are definitely dialed in correctly to allow life to happen. Light going much faster probably fucks with life working. Well, first of all, if there's no resistance, you'd expect things to stay the same speed. It wouldn't get faster or slower. To get faster you'd need some sort of rocket or whatever attached to it to provide some accelerating force. We obviously don't have any way of doing that to light. So light starts off at 300,000 km/s and it just stays at that speed forever until it dies. Secondly, 300,000 km/s seems to be the maximum speed that things can go. So it's not just the speed limit of light, it's the speed limit of everything, because that's the speed at which the electric and magnetic fields interact with each other to continue propagating as light. 3 × 10⁸ meters is the fastest anything can interact with anything else, the speed of causality. And that's why light can only travel that fast. Light travels at that speed because it is the maximum possible speed, not because light is special. Gravitational waves travel at the same speed because distortions in space can only react to nearby matter at the speed of causality. See, it's not slow on a cosmic scale. From the photon's perspective, it literally takes 0 milliseconds to travel any distance. I'd say that's as fast as it can get. If you observe the photon from Earth, it might seem slow, but the photon experiences all time as instant. Light travels at that speed because it's the speed of causality, as in the fastest something can happen as a result of something else happening. Maybe think of it not as the speed at which light travels, but the rate at which space opens up in front of it, more specifically in front of light's energy. We haven't learned how to measure the properties of space, as Western science doesn't regard space as one of the elements air, fire, water, earth, space. So we never thought of it like that. It's just an idea. We don't know why exactly that speed, but nothing can go faster in our universe in a vacuum than this speed. If someone would change the universe maximum speed, then light would automatically go the new fastest speed. All we really know is that our theories of the universe and its math tell us that a universe without speed limit wouldn't function at all. It's the hard upper limit for any cause to exert any effect in the universe. The speed of light is also shared with gravitational waves, for example. Why 300 kmsec and not 400 kmsec? We don't know, could just be our universe's hardware can only process information that fast. The speed of light is really the speed of causality of the speed of propagation of information. Light is made of photons, which are massless. As a consequence of their lack of mass, they travel at the fastest speed possible in our universe. Light and all other electromagnetic radiation depends on the conductivity of both magnetism and electricity in a vacuum. Light can't travel any faster than electricity can generate magnetism, or magnetism can generate electricity. My only observation is that at our current level of knowledge, light speed is the fastest known thing. Light may not have a speed limit, or maybe Therese another as yet undiscovered thing that is many times faster than light. Sometimes I think that, although we know so much about the universe and its behavior, there is so much we still need to know that many of the things we believe to be true today will fall apart in the future. The universe has its own inbuilt limits to what can happen in its program. Photons are massless, so travel at the speed limit of existence itself. Anything faster and you risk breaking causality itself. Light is the fastest thing in the universe, and you're asking why it has to move at all. As opposed to what, my friend, being instantaneous? You're asking for light to ignore the existence of time. The question you are looking for is actually, why does the speed of causality seem to be 299,792,458 meters, 983,571,056 feet per second? To explain like I'm 5, we don't know. That speed was discovered through experiments in math, but no one knows why.